Hazrat Haysam bin Abu Sinan reports that he heard from Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu when he was narrating events and was talking about Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, "Your brother Hazrat Abdullah bin Rawaha does not utter irrational remarks. He says, amongst us is Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam who recites his book when bright morning dawns. He guided us to the right path after our ignorance, and our hearts are sure that whatever he has said will certainly occur. He spends night, but his sides remain apart from the bed, whereas the polytheists remain on the bed as a burden." Uqail corroborated him, and Zubaydi said, "Zuhri informed me from Sayyid and Araj, and they did so from Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1155.